Okay, so we fit this giant box in the front. My friend's wife is leaving, so we fit 3 luggages, and that's with the chairs all the way back position. This is a 7-seater model. No. Okay, so something hit here. I think it's here because I see like a weird thing of just dust here. I don't see impact. Oh, here. It's hard to see it. We'll see. So, no. Wait, is it? No, that's just dirt. I think it's just this. Whatever it hit is this. It's just powdery dust. Yeah. So paint protection help. Unless I find, maybe tomorrow morning I'll check again. Did somebody close this? Okay, hold on. Maybe I'll find later. We'll see. I'll take a close look later. Watch out. Magically open. Because that sounded like pretty hard. It sounded like that.
But
when
where
I was.
the dust was, there was a mark in
Really?
the dust.
Well, I cleaned the dust and it seems okay. So hopefully I won't see any dents on it tomorrow, but yeah. Okay, so we are at level 5 now. Susie has the bellboys, 4 people carrying all her luggage, rolling her luggage. And we're going level 2, walkway to terminals. That's where we want to go. Level 2. You want to take a BART? We're just going to terminals, right?
Go.
International terminals, level 2. What? I think it's level 2, international terminals. Okay. So this one, the button doesn't work, so we just gave up. What? None of it works. Okay, can I close it at least? None? Can't even close it. So I guess the elevator's broken. Oh, here. The trick is you say you want to go up, and then it will open another elevator, and then you just go down.
No, but we want to go up.
Elevators are broken. None of these buttons work. We push those 2, and that one's stuck. And all the elevator buttons are broken. So I guess we're going down the stairs with all this stuff. Oh, that worked. Okay, we got it. We got one. We got one. Let's go. You got it? Is it gonna work? Does the button work? Okay. Okay, this one worked. We're going down.
I got tell everyone.
So we'll see.
For, 3 more princess.
3 more princess. What? Somebody else pushed the button down here, and I think that's why it opened, because the buttons up there weren't working. So, yeah. Oh, and Susie was saying prince, like princes, multiple princes, not princess. All right, going to the terminal. All right, we're on this escalator. So I don't know what hit my car, but since it just left dust, I don't know. Maybe he dropped a bag of weed or something.
No, I saw it was nut.
It was a nut. It looks silver.
Yeah, it was silver.
It could be it was just reflective in the light flash. Hi, Susie. Rushing now because we're late. Don't trip. Don't trip going backwards. Got Nambiet's brushing off his pants right there. Cleaning them up a little bit. All riding on the escalator. Talon got trapped behind some people with the baby carriage, and Susie went up to check in. Whoops, sorry. Okay. Got everyone following behind. And I think it's that one. We found it. But this line is super long. So I think we were successful. We're going home now. Whoa, but we're going home now. Alright, so here's a view in the daytime. So you can see that. It kind of chunked out a little bit of the paint protection film there. It was worse, but we kind of like rubbed it a little, and then it kind of cleared off. There was a scuff mark here. As you can see, there's like little bits of it kind of coming out. So yeah, nothing too bad. Maybe instead of like fixing this up, I'll just put like some kind of sticker decal, because I do still need to get my car with my computer repair ads wrapped on it. So yeah, you can't really, I mean, it just looks like a bug splat or something. But yeah,